Hi, I'm Trav. Back in January, three of my friends and I took a weekend road trip from Melbourne to South Australia's limestone coast, stopping at the Grampians on our way back. We set out Friday noon from Preston Market, where I got a piping hot borek at Tammy's. It takes about 5 hours to drive to the South Australian border, so we stopped halfway near Dunkeld to stretch our legs. There we came across some kangaroos that were chilling in a clearing.
Get ready, there's a sun there, so yes, that means there'll be a sign. Where is it? Oh, there it is! There it is! Get it! We did it! Yeah!
Just past the border is the town of Mount Gambier, where at this unassuming park is a sunken garden in the Umferston sinkhole.
Holy, literally.
It's a gorgeous sight that, while being well maintained, has this enveloping, timeless quality to it. For dinner we went to a local burger joint called Natural Born Grillers. I got a hot honey chicken burger and loaded fries, which were very indulgent, but delicious. Then it was an hour drive to the coastal town of Beachport, which you'll get to see tomorrow. It's tomorrow. We headed into town for brunch at the waterfront cafe at the jetty. I got a ham and cheese croissant and an iced tea, which were pretty nice. We admired the pristine turquoise waters before driving half an hour up the coast to Robe to do the same thing. We then drove inland for an hour to reach the Tantanoola Cave. It's a stunning dolomite structure that is surprisingly spacious and easy to move around. It's even wheelchair accessible. Time to cross the border back into Victoria, with our destination being Halls Gap, a town on the edge of the Grampians National Park. We dropped our bags off at our accommodation at Grampians Pioneer Cottages. It really reminded me of the days of school camp. For dinner we went to the nearby Kookaburra Hotel, where I got a classic Parma and pot. Can't get more Aussie than that. We wrapped up the day taking in the beautiful views at the Baroka Lookout.
Whoa. Oh, I get the lake as well. Oh my god. Whoa.
It's like slightly kind of like hazy. It's like,
Hazy, yeah. Whoa. Wow.
I'm just like looking at it.
It's the last day of the road trip. We started with another brunch at Flame Brothers, where I got a tasty avocado and chorizo bruschetta, then some ice cream at Coolers. Or Coolaz. Not sure which one. Our agenda before returning to Melbourne was a walk along Mackenzie Falls. There's one path that provides a bird's eye view, but the main one is the one that hugs the side of the falls. It's not advised to go into the water directly under the main falls, but there are plenty of opportunities to dip your feet downstream. And that was the end of the road trip. Thanks for watching, and I leave you with a good old-fashioned road trip sing-along.
Left to the right, we gon' make it pay. Put your hands in the air, let me see you bounce. To the left, to the right, she's spinning round. Cause when we jumpin', it's poppin', we choppin'. You think you big boy throwing 3 stacks? I'ma show you how to ball you a mismatch. Opinionated, but I'm always spitting straight facts. Throw it back, I'ma throw this on it.